Hello, my name is Dwayne Grech. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Hello xLAB KK. We're a Japan-based XR design company, and we're here in Uzbekistan being recognized by the UNWTO for our immersive interactive display system, Immersive Space. We are bringing interactive destinations of the world to our physical spaces by taking VR out of the headset and using LED and projection mapping to transform our rooms into virtual windows. It's the first of its kind immersive interactive display system. So we can actually create more contextual engagements of a destination. Have people walk through it ahead of time. We can create virtual twins, make travel tourism engagement and education more interactive and really sort of propel that storytelling and authenticity. So if we worked with an airline, they could actually set up promotional stands to say, hey, we are now flying to this new destination. Instead of showing a video or a brochure, have people physically enter that destination there. Get people excited about travel. Have them feel like they're there. If you appreciate the virtual experience, why don't you try the real thing? And that's a great upsell to that. For travel tourism governments, those who don't have a large budget for international promotion, this is a great way of using 3D interactive environments online to engage the international community. So we're here in Uzbekistan, and I'm learning a lot right now because I'm here. I don't have that exposure outside, but this is a great way of me learning more about the environments if I had access to their virtual environments in my own country. So we're working with B2Bs that have existing hardware AV systems that projection mapping or LED displays or walls like beside me here. And so we don't want to create individual experiences, we want to create shared experiences. We want groups to experience it together. And working with B2Bs, it's all about larger shared experiences and investment into the user experience. Lobbies, meeting rooms, and so on and so forth. We were fortunate to be recognized by the UNWTO for the MICE interaction and engagement opportunities there. So how do we elevate MICE events using immersive technology? How do we engage with visitors, help tell authentic stories, and make these kinds of connections more inviting and engaging?